It's a race now against Mother Nature tonight as cleanup crews try to clear roads ahead of some more snowfall tomorrow. Fox 61's Aaron Coogan has been following conditions in New Haven since Sunday and joins us with the latest from the Elm City.
Well, with cleanup efforts well underway here in New Haven, the kids are taking advantage of the extra day off of school, doing it in the best way possible, getting the slopes.
We're calling it Groundhog Month as a reference to the movie Groundhog's Day because it keeps repeating.
It's deja vu for some Connecticut students, less than a month after a series of snow days and the aftermath of this weekend's blizzard leaving behind another blanket of snow. Perfect conditions for speeding sleds.
Oh, there he goes!
But warmer weather and heavier flakes differentiates this storm from the last. Slushy roads and whipping winds resulting in a messy cleanup. One New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker says will require residents to pack their patience, especially with additional snow soon to come.
It takes a lot of time, particularly in a city like New Haven where we have a lot of narrow streets, a lot of people that don't have driveways, so they have to park on the street.
Complicating efforts further, Sunday into Monday, New Haven city officials say 298 vehicles were found not in compliance with the days-long parking ban. 242 of those cars were towed as of Monday evening, and the ban remains in effect to allow plows to effectively clear roads from ice and slush.
We only have a limited capacity. We can only tow so many cars in a city with 800 roads, and so we're asking people to be patient. We're working through this. Hopefully we're getting a little help from Mother Nature today to melt a little bit of the snow.
And again, with a few flakes expected to fall early tomorrow morning, the city says they're still determining whether school will be back in session come tomorrow. In New Haven, Aaron Coogan, Fox 61.